Question 21. P is the point 3, 3, and Q is 8, 5, with the vector PQ shown on the grid. Part A. Vector PQ is the position of Q minus the position of P. 8 minus 3 and 5 minus 3. The column vector 5, 2. Part B. We're told KA plus HB equals PQ. Reading each row, the top gives 3K minus H equals 5. The bottom gives minus K plus 4H equals 2. Solving the pair, substitute H equals 3K minus 5 into the second, gives 11K equals 22, so K is 2 and H is 1. Part C. KA is 2 times A, which is 6, minus 2. Its magnitude is the root of 6 squared plus minus 2 squared, root of 36 plus 4, root 40, which is 2 root 10, about 6.32. Well done. That's question 21 complete.